Did you hear the whispers? The Vivo V50 Ultra 5G might be the smartphone that flips the script on everything you thought you knew about mobile technology? But is all the hype justified, or are we just falling for the same old marketing tricks? In a world where new smartphones hit the shelves at breakneck speed, the anticipation around the Vivo V50 Ultra 5G is palpable. Rumors are swirling about its features, things like an enormous screen, mind-blowing camera specs, and a battery that could outlast a marathon. Let's break down what this phone might really bring to the table and whether it's worth your attention. The smartphone market is saturated. Every brand is vying for your attention, each new model promising features that often fall flat. With so many choices, how do you decide which phone is actually worth your hard-earned money? The Vivo V50 Ultra 5G enters this chaotic arena, but can it deliver on its promises? The chatter around the Vivo V50 Ultra 5G suggests a 6.8-inch display, which is not just big, it's designed to impress. Imagine scrolling through your favorite apps or watching videos on a screen that feels closer to a small tablet than a phone. With a rumored 120 Hz refresh rate, it's engineered for fluid motion. What does that mean? Simply put, your content will look stunningly smooth, whether you're playing games or scrolling through your social media feed. And here's the kicker, instead of a clunky notch, a small hole for the front camera could give you even more real estate to enjoy. Less distraction, more immersion. Beneath the sleek exterior, the Vivo V50 Ultra 5G is said to house the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor. This chip is touted for its power and efficiency, but what does that mean for you? Faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and less battery drain. With 5G capabilities, you could be surfing the web at lightning speeds, assuming you're in an area that supports it. Let's talk cameras because this is where things get juicy. Rumors suggest a main camera, 200MP for stunning detail. Ultra-wide camera, 32MP, perfect for those panoramic landscape shots. Depth sensor, 12MP, aiding in the creation of beautiful portraits. And for those who love selfies, the rumored 50MP front camera could outshine the main cameras on many competing devices. Plus, with the capability to shoot 4K video, content creators might have found their new best friend. In an age where battery anxiety is real, the Vivo V50 Ultra 5G seems to offer a breath of fresh air with a massive 7,100 mAh battery. To give you perspective, many current models hover around 4,000 to 5,000 mAh. More battery means more freedom to use your phone throughout the day without reaching for a charger. What about charging? The rumored 120W fast charging capability suggests you could go from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes. This could revolutionize how we think about charging our devices. With options like 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, or going all the way up to 16GB RAM with 512GB storage, Vivo seems to be catering to power users. More RAM means better performance when juggling multiple apps, while increased storage ensures you can keep all your photos, videos, and apps without worrying about running out of space. Now, all of these impressive specs sound enticing, but let's talk about the elephant in the room. Will it live up to the hype? There's a pattern in the tech world where expectations are set sky high, only to be met with disappointment upon release. The biggest question isn't just what the Vivo V50 Ultra 5G promises, but whether it can deliver those promises in real-world scenarios. With all the rumors swirling about the Vivo V50 Ultra 5G, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement. An impressive screen, a powerhouse processor, a stunning camera system, and a long-lasting battery, what's not to love? But before you get swept away by the hype, consider your own needs. Will these features enhance your daily life, or are they just shiny distractions? As we wait for the official announcement, let's delve into the pricing. While we can only speculate, industry insiders suggest the Vivo V50 Ultra 5G might be priced competitively to attract attention. A phone with this level of innovation could potentially start around $800, but as we've seen, prices can fluctuate dramatically based on features and market competition. If it comes in at a lower price point while offering premium features, it could disrupt the market significantly. Consumers might find themselves reevaluating what they consider high-end. To understand where the Vivo V50 Ultra 5G fits in, let's take a look at the competition. Major players like Samsung, Apple and Google have set the bar high with their flagship models. For instance, the Samsung Galaxy S series and Apple's iPhone lineup are consistently praised for their camera quality and performance. What sets Vivo apart? The willingness to take risks on specs that push boundaries. The introduction of a 200MP camera isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's a statement. It challenges other brands to step up their game, which could benefit consumers in the long run. As we ponder the potential of the Vivo V50 Ultra 5G, let's consider what real users might expect from it. Gamers will likely focus on performance, especially with a 120Hz display. Content creators will scrutinize the camera capabilities, especially in low-light conditions. Battery life will be a crucial factor for everyone, given how often we rely on our phones throughout the day. If the Vivo V50 Ultra 5G can truly deliver a full day of usage without issues, it may find a solid foothold in the market.